In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix your iPad cellular data not working. So let's get started. Now, first of all, you're gonna go head over to your settings and go over to the cellular data option. From here, make sure that your cellular data is on. And on the top right, you can see this option of signals or the symbol. Make sure that your signals are at least 3 or 4 bars. And suppose you're somewhere underground or where the signals don't come properly, try changing your position. You can also try going to your settings and turning airplane mode on and then turning it off back. Another way is to restart your iPad. So just go ahead, scroll up on the top right corner, down, and then click on this power button. That's gonna shut down your iPad, and then you can reopen it, and hopefully that fixes the cellular data. Then you can also remove and reinstall the SIM. So just go ahead and shut down your iPad, you remove the SIM card, and then reinstall it securely, and then turn the iPad back on. You can also reset network settings. So for this, you go to your settings, general, scroll down here all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPad, click on reset, and from here choose reset network settings. Now, once you do that, obviously you're going to be logged out of your internet, so you'll have to sign back in or re-enter your password. Then you have to check your cellular plan and carrier. So make sure your plan is active and your data isn't exhausted. And then contact your carrier to verify there's no outage in your area or account issue. Then also make sure that your iPad is fully updated. So go to settings, then general, and from here go head over to software update and make sure you're updated. So as you can see, I have an update right here, so I should update it. And last option is to test with another device. So if it's possible, you take your SIM out and test it perhaps with your mobile. And if it works there, then the issue is with your iPad. There might be some hardware issue which you need to get checked. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out.